That's I said, y'all need to put y'all window.
He got Versace. He got the new Versace slides on.
Oh, bitch. Oh,
damn.
Motherfucking scammers. Okay.
Okay, that's what he was trying. I don't know if he was trying to tell y'all where to park, but
I don't know. We need to go back around. Girl, you see, I got that radar. One of them got the Gucci shirt on. The short one got mine. Because he's too little for me, but he's taller. He like 4 inches taller than you. Got mine. He got on the Gucci
He tall enough. Fuck that.
He got on the Gucci shirt.
With a
because
Gucci budget.
I don't care about. I don't care about material things. All I need is the heart.
Shut the fuck up. How about that, sir?
I'm a heartbroken hoe. Now all I want is the money.
Money, you're
That's
money
right.
hungry, bitch.
Where the hell do we park?
That's what he. I
what
don't know why y'all turn y'all window down.
Just go back, bitch.
How? What you think I'm doing?
I got called a hoe.
That's right.
I mean, y'all better go ask him.
No, I'm an Uber. Yeah. Hey, you Meech? You big Meech? Mr. Meech, where do I park?
Mind you, the little
Where I
girl
park
still
at?
in high school is here.
20th Street, make a right at the stop sign.
The two that he's standing in front of right now.
Make a right is a warehouse.
Are you police?
Yeah, I'm security.
Are you secure? Oh, y'all got badges and all too?
Come on now, boy,
Shit.
on 20th Street.
Okay.
It's a warehouse.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, that girl is in college.
Oh, well, the other one's in high school. The one she's talking to is in high school because they talking about prom.
What the fuck?
I swear to
Can I
God.
park here? Fuck.
Oh, I don't know, cause that's somebody's house. I don't know. Park.
Look at all these
Sis
little
is fancy.
Can I?
She should have lost a little bit of weight before she wore that because she looks
know.
stumpy.
Oh my god.
I don't know. This shit got stuff in it, but I'm still gonna drink it. Cause how many shots y'all took? I'm sorry, since I need to sit me down for real quick.
2. It's like, oh,
Right
y'all
there.
took that thing off? Oh, she got a cover up?
She got a cover up.
Y'all both got cover up?
I got a jacket, but I ain't bring a cover up.
Fuck, I ain't got no damn cover up.
All right, I won't wear one because you don't got one. Take yours off,
Okay,
bitch.
let me see if it look good.
Say she don't got a cover up. Like Sydney's about to say, "Fuck you, bitch." All right, wear your lipstick so I could fix my top lip.
Oh, so you gonna be a good friend and not wear your cover up?
No.
What?
Like I don't know
Like-
if that meant like
like-
no, you're
like
not.
no. That's how you sounded when you were drunk.
No.
You want to hear it? You're
No.
like, Asia did it, Asia did it. That's exactly.
How she sounded? Yeah. Right here.
So I gotta go look appropriate.
Wait, you putting clothes on or you not putting it?
Cause if all my friends got cover-ups, I can't be a hoe.
I was gonna be a hoe. I told you I was gonna be a hoe.
That's the wrong word.
But cause it was Stacy's comb.
What? What combs do I have in here?
Stacy, shut up!
This whole look like 101 down, baby.
Okay, look. I made it a little darker. I made it a little bit darker. Hold on.
Wow.
Stacy, shut up! Who did I think I was for real?
Look like 101 down, baby.
I thought I was cute with that one.
So you tell me Jesus put them right here and right there?
That's what I said. Look, this one I have like a little spot.
What is wrong with you?
Okay, the one on my lip with a little thing too. Like, okay, y'all don't gotta get on me like that.
What made you think it was
I'ma
okay to
come
walk
for
out
you,
the car
friend.
like that?
Oh my god, y'all so extra.
But your curls are really pretty though.
Nah, y'all no. Close the door. You're making me mad. Stacy, I'm sorry.
Got me a pass, y'all. I think I'm a hood bitch.
What's it? Just relax and accept the crazy. Wow. Latoya got you that?
Yes, for
Wow.
my birthdays. For my birthdays.
Instead of bake you a cake.
22, she made me a cake too. She made me
Oh
whoopie
no,
pies.
you missed the whoopie
You missed the
pie.
whoopie pies.
Are you fucking serious?
The whoopie pies was good.
Wow. Wow, you could have saved it in the refrigerator.
No, Bentley and her
Saved
ate
it
it all up.
in the fucking fridge.
Her and Bentley ate it all up.
Must have been that good.
Okay,
So
hold
the
on.
edges is not staying down, girls. Okay.
Okay, let me look at my phone because I can't really see.
I'm gonna tell these boys, this is mine. This is my hair. Well, let's go inside. Let's see what these North.
Hold on, let
I
me
do-
just fix myself because y'all really put me in my place. So now
That's
I'm
once I
kinda-
know
No,
how kids
Mama.
have all the best fun.
I never tell you go back in the car. Never. Sus! They told me to go back in the car. Champagne. You coming, Champagne?
Champagne rain coming. Champagne rain gonna need to ride, man, because we
Girl,
can't
we
drive
gotta
all the way
get
back
lit.
there. I need another cup.
It's money.
I need to get food.
Sydney told me I
And we
look like
need
a
a designated
goddamn
driver,
fool.
bitch, because ain't gonna be me.
Yeah, we already seen
Eeny,
that.
meeny, miny, mo. Get your
Oh, we
patter,
rode
patter,
with
too. If you wanna let it
We rode with her.
go. Who gonna drive tonight, bitch?
Yeah. No, Latoya, it's
You.
me, niggas.
I brought my glasses in.
It's me,
Are you
Gamera, and
serious?
Stacy. It's
You're already
money
a good
niggas.
friend.
We didn't walk in yet, but it's money niggas because we drove past and I seen them.
They got
They had
Gucci, y'all.
Gucci shirts.
The newest, latest Gucci, not the
Yup,
kind
they
that's
had
on sale.
Gucci shirts.
The kind that still is still expensive.
They got the new Versace slides on, the ones that just
How
came
did Sydney
out.
spot this all out?
Girl, I don't know what the fuck.
How she know it's all brand new?
Oh baby, cause I be radar. I need me a scammer real quick. I need me a little scammer who can
Listen.
We got the liquor and everything. We waiting for you. Let's go.
We waiting for you, sis. We
Where
waiting
Billy
for you.
at? Billy got out at 4. Where she at? She at her nigga house? She looking for
We
her
waiting
man
for
again?
you.
Probably.
Wow.
Me, I think you're recording.
It
It
is.
is. Oh. Hello.
I fucking hoes. I fucking hate Stacey and her fucking followers.
Aw.
Damn, bitch.
What?
Fuck you! Marmos is cute, right? Well, I had like a bump right here, so I try to make it look cute. That's not real. But these is real. Like, these hoes is real life jealous.
But can I get another cup though?
Yeah.
Okay. How you think cold? You put your flask in the refrigerator? Listen.
Respect the makeup. Respect the makeup, okay?
Fuck the lyric. Respect the what?
Makeup, okay? Let me sound like Whitney. That's what I'm gonna talk. How Whitney talk? Different world, cause I want to be bad and bougie. They said she's the original bad and bougie. So how am I supposed to do it?
So I feel like if
I'm
I'm
getting
walking
out the
inside
car,
without
yeah.
my shorts, I'm be like, bitch, I came here to fucking slay. I came here to just fucking show my ass out. Fuck a nigga, fuck a man. If I want my
You-
shorts,
Fuck a nigga. Fuck a
Yeah.
man. That's your man, bitch.
but
Thank you. That's her nigga.
I
but
just
you
say
know.
fuck a nigga, fuck a man, cause I ain't got one. But
Thank you.
But we still 22 though.
Oh!
I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22.
Mama, you're still 21.
And I'm loving it. Forever 21.
You just made up your own song.
Yeah,
Jesus!
yeah, bitches, it's not today.
Today is.
I don't know about
Not
for your show.
shaming. I didn't think it was gonna be foreign.
I really had to repeat this outfit,
Versace and
'cause-
Gucci like
oh,
that. That's why I said I'm not shaming.
Or I can.
Well, they got Versace and Gucci in there. They just gonna
They
have to
got
love
foreign
you.
whips.
Fuck.
My eyes look.
Look at my damn thing broken up and shit.
Your lash look like it's leaning.
Which
That thing was drinking Sprite and codeine.
Oh shit.
What you mean?
Oh, you
Both of
gotta-
them is like, cause your lash it goes like this. It goes rainbow and then it does a dip.
Yeah, that's how my eyes are.
Oh,
okay.
Shit to look like. Hey, what's up? What's good, nigga? Keep walking.
That's what you gonna do.
Yo, what's good, nigga?
So you gonna walk all the way over there and say what you doing, nigga?
Oh, he there? Where is he? I don't see him. Oh, there he go. Oh, there he go. Look at him. He's so cute. Look at him.
Let's go.
I like candy.
You like any?
Okay.
They not recording.
You like any?
Oh, you gotta take the shots before you go in? Wow. Oh my god.
Yeah, you go ahead.
Can I just get a cup?
Hey, come on, come on.
Let me get a cup.
Let's go, let's go.
And if you let anything fall on my face, slap the fuck out of me.
Yeah?
Ooh.
Let's go, let's go, yeah? Let's go, let's go. Okay, let's go. You good, you good? All right, we good? Let's go.
You know,
And
pick
if
up
you-
tattoo,
and if you-
bitch,
if
not
you wanna
tattoo.
act-
We
if
done
you
pick
wanna
up
act
Latoya,
funny-
bitch. We got her. So
If you wanna act funny,
say hello. Where the fucking light at?
are you hearing me? Look to the fix your
Maybe not me.
When you get inside,
For me?
you look like you've been fighting.
Ooh. Ooh.
I can see that from back here. Huh? My neck hurts.
From what?
I don't know. I think it's the
She been
mattress.
sucking dick.
Bobbing and weaving.
Yeah, she been bobbing.
Stacy lit. That's what's wrong with it.
Oh, she look like a hundred. Listen to me.
You look at 100.
Latoya look like I said Latoya. Gamera looked like 101 Dalmatians. Okay, she looked like her name was Spot. Gamera had dot dot dot. It was run right here. I faded this one out because they told me
you
no.
know when they're black, like you took a Sharpie and
This
did it,
one-
that's how they look. She
That's
faded
not
it
black.
out.
That's
Gamma.
not black.
Latoya's light skin and they look like natural moles. Gamma, it looked like
I
you
need
painted it on your face.
scissors.
So what do you think of the jean jacket? Because we finna go in there like, because we are sisters.
We
We
stand
stand together.
Okay, no, I'm not gonna be sister nothing because I'm hot.
gonna go to this party. I'm always lit when we get there.
No, like
Again, when we get there again. 'Cause we left and came back.
What time it finished?
Oh shit, bitch! I'm always breaking this. The perfect curls. This Bohemian girl.
no, wait,
Wet and we got a vegan.
Water wave.
Water wave, yeah.
Okay, that's enough for the ratchet.
Let's go, 'cause I'm gonna go to this party again. Lit and get turned.
I just said I'm bloated. Why you trying to make it like
No,
extra?
cause sis, your stomach. I can't stand Latoria.
What?
for real.
My
I
stomach
just
what?
wanna go to the party and go
Shut
get
your
one
ass
of,
up.
and get one of the Gucci.
You wanna get
Versace
You should have
shit.
been did that.
You wanna get scammer?
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
36%, so I got to start.
Okay, me sit in the front.
Oh, open the trunk again.
Okay, open the trunk to the side. You sure you want some spray? We got a candy rain spray. Make you smell just like candy.
Wait, hold on. Oh,
Like the boys want to eat you.
I don't.
Where the charger?
You don't want to be eaten. Okay,
like
sorry.
I want, cause I'm leaving.
Change my outfit, ho.
Ready, man.
Go.
Come on,
Go.
I gotta pee. I need to pee over so she can pee. No, I gotta pee at the party.
Like 3 McDonald's.
They got a whole bathroom. They got what? Is we done or is we finished? Bitch, I feel like my actually
Give me
I
the
already
bottle.
throw up, but
Give me the bottle.
what happened? Where the bottle at? It's right here.
Here.
Okay, let's go. Huh, they gonna ask us to take more shots at the door, so let's go. y'all.
Accept it. It's too.
I look like I'm about to go to work or some shit. Like I put on a jean jacket. No.
Why I can't
I'm
spray
so sorry,
it,
you guys,
Mama?
for my
Can you spray
actions,
it for me?
and I take full responsibility for the way that I'm acting. I'm a little bit drunk, so you know, I gotta be a little bit hurt. Okay, let's go.
What a boy that was gonna give us a drink. They're gone. So we have to drink before we get in because I don't want to. We don't have to do that?
No, we vibing.
Okay, it's good. Let's go.
The curve, grab the curve. Finna hear my walk. Finna hear my walk. Finna hear my walk. Finna hear my walk. Finna live with the walk. Finna live with the walk. Finna live with the walk. Finna follow walk. Now it's a brand new day. I've been going for a minute, don't get my walk, then drill that thought, yeah, get loose with it. Her, she like no fat boy. Big girl, I'm a fat boy. I can get down too. We can do what I do like my homie named Bo Boy. Watch me walk when I come through. Hold on, this is better.
With the side, slide with the side. Anybody wanna motherfucking die? Me, that's right, that's motherfucking me. Hold on.
Do it.
Up to it, down to it, but those who don't do it, we don't come in to it. Y'all drink, motherfucking drink.
Respect the motherfucking leg. Respect the leg. Bitch, you need to respect the leg. Respect your leg. Okay, so it's the next day. I almost got into a shitload of trouble last night, but we're not gonna talk about that.